Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a wig hat. Yes, how to make a wig hat. In Nigeria we call this a cap, a face cap. So America they call it hats, and some other countries, but we call it a face cap here. And basically what I'm doing is just placing the back of the cap on the styrofoam mannequin head. And the first thing you'd want to do is you'd want to measure the hair from ear to ear. Measure the hair from ear to ear. This hair, I've used it before, but I didn't want to throw it away because I felt I could still use it and do something. The hair is not new. And so yeah, so I've measured from ear to ear, and I'm going to use the glue. I bought this Uhu Bond. I'd been seeing people on YouTube use, the hot gun glue, but I don't have that. So what I did was get the Uhu Bond, and that is basically what I am doing here, using the Uhu Bond, placing on the weft of the hair. And when I place it, I'm going to place it from ear to ear. You guys need to place it from ear to ear, because when I was making my own, at a point I found out that some part of my hair didn't cover, so I had to add extra hair. So yeah, I'll just let you watch and enjoy. So yeah, all you want to do is just continue the process. Just keep doing it. Take the bond, first of all measure, then take the bond, put it on the weft of the hair, and place on the cap. Now this Uhu Bond is not like super glue that sticks instantly. You guys, I need to tell you this, it doesn't stick instantly. I had some of the hair coming out, so you have to really place it firmly and allow it to dry a little bit for it to stick. If you just place it anyhow, the thing is going to fall off. It doesn't stick instantly. So yeah, this is after I had finished the first set, and I wanted to try it. I wanted to see how it looked, and you're going to see the results. So as you can see, if you look at the side, you can see my head is still showing on the sides, and so I realized that I had to put some more hair to cover that part. But right now the wig hat is looking pretty good. As you can see, it is really easy to make, and it really looks really good. I'm super proud of myself. So I have to cover that part now, so that the wig hat can look much better. And so this is after I had added more hair. I added more hair to cover up that part, and so let's see how it looks. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Ignore the braids that you can see. That's the hair I have currently. I love it. It looks really good. My mom even tried it and she loved it as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure you drop your comment.